Let's talk about the green gobbler. This is an important maintenance tip for anyone that is on a septic system and they want to make sure that it is being optimized at 100% efficiency and you're not going to have any backup or clogs. The green gobbler has enzymes that you put into your toilet, flush it down into your septic system, and then over the course of a month, that bacteria is going to break down the solids that are in your septic system, causing it to function perfectly. So all you have to do is grab one of these pods, really simple, drop it in your toilet and flush. Do that once a month, and I guarantee after you pump out your septic system in about 2 or 3 years that it's going to just be completely water and you're not going to have any issues with a backed up problem. Go out, grab yourself some green gobbler, maintain your system so that way you never have to have any major mistakes to be fixed.